Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 10, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 10, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, May 10, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 10, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 29.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Friday, May 10, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of May 10, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.